Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain the overview of ServiceNow as a cloud-based platform which includes unified and simplified, security and access measures, productivity and ROI, flexibility and agility. So let's begin with unified and simplified. So, as a central management platform, ServiceNow helps reduce complexity and improve the efficiency of software service management, review and simplify the existing processes to eliminate unnecessary steps and make them more efficient. User must not get stuck while using application, using clear and understandable names for the modules, providing a clear documentation for the user regarding a module, keeping the dashboard simple, use common tools, processes and technologies for all IT service management, make it easier for users to access IT services with user-friendly interfaces and systems. Cloud-based infrastructure. ServiceNow is the cloud-based platform that offers a wide range of services to help organizations to manage their IT infrastructure, workflows, and business operations. It provides a unified and simplified approach to various tasks through its suite of applications, making it popular choice for enterprise looking to streamline their process and improve efficiency. ServiceNow operates entirely in cloud, which means there is no need for on-premises hardware or software installations. This cloud-based approach offers several benefits including scalability, flexibility, and accessibility. Users can access the platform from anywhere with an internet connection using any device, making it ideal for remote work and distributed teams. Then single platform architecture. ServiceNow provides a single unified platform that hosts a wide range of applications and modules to address various business needs. Instead of using disparate systems for different functions like IT service management, customer service, human resource, and more organization can centralize their operations on the ServiceNow platform. This eliminates the need of managing multiple systems, reducing complexity and improving efficiency. Then simplified automation. ServiceNow simplifies complex workflows by automating routing tasks and processes. Its workflow automation capabilities allow organizations to design, automate, and optimize their business processes without the need for extensive coding or development efforts. This simplification not only saves time and resources but also reduces the likelihood of errors and bottlenecks. Then consistent user experience. Regardless of which modules or application user interact with, ServiceNow offers a consistent user experience across the platform. This consistency is maintained through standardized design principles, navigation patterns, and user interface elements. As a result, user can easily navigate between different parts of platform, reducing the learning curve and improving productivity. Then security and access measures. It supports SSL, requires redirection from HTTP to HTTPS and HTTPs, and uses sender policy framework for email addresses to avoid spamming. Encryption and key management are performed on your intranet between your browser and your ServiceNow instance because edge encryption is enabled on a proxy server on your side of the network. Then edge encryption provides you direct control over your data security and enforces an account's access permissions. ServiceNow addresses security and access measures within its cloud-based platform like identity management. ServiceNow provide robust identity management capabilities to ensure that users have appropriate access levels based on their roles and responsibilities within the organization. It supports integration with existing identity providers such as Active Directory and LDAP to centralize user authentication and authorization process. Then access control. ServiceNow allow organizations to define granular access controls to restrict access to sensitive data and functionalities. Admins can configure access policies based on roles, groups, and other attributes, ensuring that users only have access to the resource necessary for their job functions. Then encryption. ServiceNow employs encryption mechanism to protect data both in transit and at rest. Data encryption helps safeguard sensitive information from unauthorized access or interception, ensuring confidentiality and integrity. Then audit trails and logging. ServiceNow maintains detailed audit trails and logs of user activities within the platform. This allows organization to track changes, monitor access, and investigate security incidents effectively. Admin can review logs to identify anomalous or suspicious behavior and take appropriate actions. Then productivity and ROI. One clear way of increasing ROI is to grow your sales and generate more revenue, which will keep pushing your ROI ratio higher. In terms of digital marketing, you also need to look at how much your ad spending is contributing to the revenue. A productive application gives a better return on investment. Then keep things simple, avoid multitasking, set reminders, and review goals daily or at least regularly. Use productivity apps and social media marketing to get increase in sales. Motivate your teams, offers a wellness program, and minimize the time wasting activities. Automation tools can help to automate repetitive tasks, processes to improve efficiency. Improve productivity and efficiency by identifying and prioritize key areas for improvement. Then increase speed and accuracy using automation and other process improvements. ROI of IT service management also depends on tracking and measurement. Then improved efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, streamlining process, and providing self-service capabilities. ServiceNow helps organization operate more efficiently. Employees spend less time on manual tasks and admin work, allowing them to focus on higher value activities that drive business growth. Then faster resolution times. With ServiceNow's unified platform and real-time analytics, organizations can identify and resolve issues more quickly. This leads to reduced downtime, improved service levels, and increased productivity across the organization. Then cost savings. ServiceNow automation capabilities and cloud-based model help organizations save costs by reducing the need for manual intervention, minimizing errors, and optimizing resource utilization. Additionally, ServiceNow subscription-based pricing models offers predictable costs and eliminates the need for upfront infrastructure investment. Then strategic insights. By leveraging ServiceNow analytics and reporting capabilities, organization can gain valuable insights into their organization and identify areas for improvement. This allows them to make informed decisions, prioritize initiatives, and allocate resources effectively to maximize ROI. Overall, ServiceNow empowers organizations to achieve higher levels of productivity, efficiency, and ROI by providing a unified platform, automation capabilities, real-time analytics, scalability, and integration capabilities, and focus on enhancing the user experience. Then flexibility and agility. Agility is the project team ability to quickly change the project plan as a response to customer or stakeholder needs and market or technology demand, adapting to the requirements and applying changes accordingly. A feedback system would provide the information from a user perspective of application responsive, and then the required changes could be made. Flexibility is the ability that application has to be easily customizable. Use flexible processes and technologies that can adapt to change business needs. Adopt a process of continuous learning and improvement. Use agile methodologies to deliver high quality software and IT service efficiently. Then scalability. ServiceNow cloud infrastructure allow for seamless scalability, meaning it can accommodate growing or changing businesses needs without requiring significant adjustment to hardware or software. This scalability is particularly valuable for organizations experiencing rapid growth or fluctuating demand. Then customizations. ServiceNow provides extensive customization capabilities, allowing organization to tailor the platform to their specific requirements. This flexibility needs businesses to adopt ServiceNow to their unique processes, workflows, and business rules rather than the forcing them to conform to predefined templates. Then modularity. ServiceNow follow a modular architecture with various modules and applications available to address different business needs. This modular approach enhances flexibility by enabling organizations to deploy only the components they need, avoiding unnecessary complexity and overhead. Then rapid deployment. ServiceNow cloud-based nature facilitates rapid deployment, enabling organization to quickly implement new functionalities or roll out updates without the need for extensive infrastructure setup or downtime. This agility in development deployment helps organizations stay responsive to changing business requirements and market dynamics. ServiceNow cloud-based platform offers significant flexibility and agility, empowering organizations to adapt to changing business needs, innovate rapidly, and drive continuous improvement in their IT and business operations. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain the overview of ServiceNow in context of organizational growth. Thank you.